Hi lovers of good things, welcome back again. Welcome back to another great recipe. I hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I prepare these super delicious beans with grounded beef and garnish it with some bell pepper. If you want to know how I came out with this, please stay tuned and let's dive into the video. First of all, we'll go ahead by pre-cooking our beans. Yes, I love black eye bean. You can use any type of beans of your choice, anyone you like. This beans is watch but not tolerate watch. I pour into this boiled water. I will allow it to cook for some minutes. 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes is okay. You can see the color already. We are going to rinse out this colored water or the black water. You can see it is so dark. So I'll remove the dark water and place it into a new boiled water. This is how it looks after washing it. Then my water is boiled already. I'm going to pour in the beans. Then the next ingredients we will add to these beans to cook very well or very fast. I will add my diced onions. This is how I have been cooking beans. It makes it so quick and perfect. Here the beans is well cooked. You can see is well cooked. We are going to take it down. So guys, at this stage we'll go ahead by preparing the stew or the sauce, anyone you call it. I add just little oil to fry out the diced onions. You can use any oil of your choice, but I am using olive oil. And I have my grounded beef ready. I'm going to be adding it to the fried onions as well. I'm going to allow the beef to cook for some minutes before adding the blended onions, tomatoes, and some scotch bonnet pepper. That is for the stew. So after cooking the beef for some minutes, you can see the color is getting changed already. That shows that it's cooking very well. At this stage the beef is well cooked. I will go ahead and add the blended stuff, which is tomatoes, onions, and scotch bonnet pepper. Those are the few ingredients I blended here. We'll allow this to steam for some minutes. At this stage you can see the sauce is getting beautiful and delicious. I'm going to garnish the stew with some bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and few of red bell pepper as well. I will allow this to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will take it down. We'll continue with the rest, which is a very fast recipe and so healthy and delicious. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Like, I do really enjoy it. You can go ahead and try out this method, this recipe. You will also do enjoy it as well. I pour it into my beans. So at this stage, I would like to say a very big thank you to all my old and new subscribers. You that is subscribing through this video, may the Lord God Almighty bless you. All of you that always come back to watch my video, may God bless you. Please continue to support. Let's continue to support. That is all I have to say, but thank you for all the support. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In this channel, we are into cooking, yes, and I know you never regret subscribing to this channel. I add some rosemary, some ginger, and basilico leaf, so to blend it up. I also add my Maggi cube. That is all. So easy and so fast, but it was delicious. At this stage, I add the salt as well. I'm going to stir everything together, and the remaining ingredients here is the red oil, what we know as palm oil. We'll be adding that later. So at last, if you enjoyed this video, please do well to give it a huge thumbs up, share it to your friends and family, do all the good stuff, and may God bless you for that. Remember to subscribe to this channel. You will never regret it. Thank you all for coming to today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.